This may be a low-cost smartphone, but Motorola hasn't skimped on the screen, with a 5.7-inch max view panel dominating the front of the Moto E5. There is a bit of bezel above, housing the earpiece, selfie cameras and sensors, and below, which just has the Motorola logo on it, the screen, but dimensions are kept at a palatable 154.4 x 72.2 x 8.95 mm. It means it is possible to hold and operate the Moto E5 in one hand, with the curved rear helping it sit a little more comfortably in the hand. On the back there's a slight camera bulge above the circular Motorola logo, and that emblem actually doubles as an easy-to-hit fingerprint scanner. The power lock keys on the right side of the E5 fall nicely under thumb or finger, while the base of the phone boasts a microSD port, while up top you'll find a headphone jack. Moving our attention back to the screen, and Motorola has opted for the taller 18:9 aspect ratio display size for all its new E and G series handsets. This gives you more space when scrolling social feeds, and a better viewing experience when held landscape. While the Moto E5 has a big screen, its resolution is just 720p HD rather than Full HD, and that means it doesn't shine when compared to the new Moto G6 range. It's also a LCD panel, which means it doesn't quite have the same pop as OLED displays, but it's still a good enough offering considering the phone's price tag. You'll be able to get the Moto E5 in flash gray and fine gold once it goes on sale.